Hi, good morning, children. Today we want to learn the lesson about the vision for 2020, the semester 2. Is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. You know very well about the APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay? Vision for 2020. A vision for 2020. Written by APJ Abdul Kalam. What is a APJ? Actually, we have to learn about that. Abul Fakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born in 1931 and he was expired 2015. He was born into a poor family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner, and from very early age, Kalam had to supplement to family income by distributing newspapers. Distributing newspapers. He studies physics and then aerospace engineering. He had an unparalleled career as a defense scientist. He is known as the Missile Man for his work on missiles and space rockets. He was also the recipient of the highest civilian award of India, the Bharat Ratna. He received honorary doctorate from about 30 universities globally. He was elected as the 11th Prime Minister of India and held the office from 2002 to 2007. Kalam wrote several inspirational books. Wings of Fire, which is an autobiography, and Ignited Mind are probably the best known. India 2020 sets of his actions plan to make India to superpower in knowledge and communication technology. See that. Abul Fakir Jainuddin is a very famous and he was the Prime Minister of 11th President of India. 11th President of India is a very well-known person. You know very well about Abul Fakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. When he was born 1931 and he was expired 2015, was into the poor family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu state. His father was boat owner and he is working actually is moving up the boat from a very earlier age. Kalam had to be supplement the family income by distributing newspapers. He doesn't have the family income and is distributing the newspaper also. He was making like a part-time job in that area, in concerned area, and is a part-time job is doing like that. Okay. In early age, Kalam had to be supplement the family income by distributing newspapers. He studies physics and aerospace engineering. Do you know what is aerospace engineering in Telugu? Aerospace, you know that very well, Khagora Shastra. He had an unparalleled career as a defense scientist. He is doing scientist also. He done with that. He is known as a missile man for his works on missiles and space rockets. He was also the recipient of highest civilian award of India, the Bharat Ratna. He got a Bharat Ratna award also. He received honorary doctorate from about 30 universities. See that. And globally he was elected as the 11th President of India. See that. He is the President of India. Bharata Rashtrapati antam chudandi Telugu version. He held office from 2002 to 2007, 5 years. And Kalam wrote several inspirational books also. Wing of Fire, which is an autobiography, and Ignited Minds are probably the best known. India 2020 sets out of his action plan to make India to superpower in knowledge and communication technology. See that. He got awards. He received honorary doctorates from 30 universities. It's not like a joke. It's a very, very precious and cruel job. Very hard work. He made hard work. A vision for 2020 focus on transferring India into the developed nation by 2020. India is a country which is culture, heritage and no form of fashionism should be allowed to come in the way of our development. India still faces many challenges, although many improvements have to take place. In the 21st century, knowledge is the main source to increase the production, and this has to be exploited fully. India man's strengthens our natural and human resources. More than half of the Indian population is below the age of 35, and these are the people who must lead the transformation into the developed nations. The key areas that need to information and communication and other critical technologies. It is only by the combined efforts to the government, industrialists and entrepreneurship and students that the nation can be uplifted. See that. What is his vision? His vision was 2020. Focus is on transforming India to develop the nation by 2020. 2020 up to 2020, India will be developed in the culture and heritage, and no form of the fashionism should be allowed to come in the way of development. India still faces so many problems, so like corona or something. Although many improvements also there, like vaccinations we want to send to all over the world. See that. As well as both knowledge is there and production, increase the production also there, and development also there, and facing so many problems in India also. Both simultaneously, both we have. India still faces many challenges, although many improvements have to be take place. Right? In the 21st century, knowledge is the main source to increase the production, and this has to be exploited fully. Indians' main strength are in natural human resources. More than half of the Indian population is below 35 age, and these are the people who must lead the transformation into the developed nation. See that the young generation peoples have to develop India, the nation, to develop the nation. The key areas that need to be tackled and agriculture. In which department? Agriculture, food processing, education and healthcare, infrastructure, information and communication. These simultaneously the processing also they are going on, and other critical technologies also there. It is only by the combined efforts of the government, industrialists, entrepreneurs and students that nation can be uplifted. See that APJ Abdul Kalam is a very well known person, so that's why his aim was to develop the country up to 2020 in the areas of which areas? Agriculture, food processing, education, healthcare, infrastructure, information and communication and other critical technologies. See that. When the India Today conclave posed to question India tomorrow, global giant of Paimi, I recall an event that occurred while meeting students in the Nagaland during my recent visit there. See, when he was the President of India, 11th President of India, he visited to Nagaland. The students were asking, yes, sir, what developed developing in the country, in India? Which part of the country in the India developed, sir? When he was went to visit the school, Nagaland school, a fifth class student asked to him, I would like to live in happy, prosperous, peaceful, safe in India. See that? Is trying to, I would like to live in happy, prosperous, peaceful and safe India. Tell me, what will you do, Mr. President? See. Also tell me what I should do for that. See that? In these sectors, we can happy for that. We live in happy in the India now? No. And prosperous, peaceful, silence, no more of wars and safe India. Tell me what will you do, Mr. President? The student will ask the question to President. Also tell me what I should do for that. He is also take confirmation from students. Yes, what I should do for that. During my interaction with the school children of 17 states and 3 union territories which I have visited, a series of similar questions were raised. See that? Sometimes I feel a nation of a billion people think like a nation of a million people. Why it is so? I consider no other nation has got a civilization's heritage like India to live in near peaceful life. Indian minds were capable of absorbing the best of cultures from successive innovations. Because of the nation is more important compared to any individuals or party or religion. See that? He's saying like that. Even the rich and developed the nations, despite of their wealth and military strength, are afraid of virtual enemies and they live with a fear complex. Economic prosperity and military strength alone do not bring peace to any nation. As we see from the dynamics of the world, in such situation is also very important to transform our religious forces into the spiritual forces. Evolutions of spiritual forces in addition to economic prosperity and military strength will bring happiness, peace and prosperity. How we safe in India is asking a lot of questions. So we got freedom when it is, do you know children? In 1947, 15th of August. We got freedom in 1947 as a result of what I call the first vision for the nation. Yes, first vision for the nation. This vision created the best of leaders in many fields like politics, philosophy, judiciary, science and technology and industry. Improvements took place in many aspects of life in literacy, agriculture productions, tragic areas, certain small large scale industries. Now more than 50 years have to go on by, we are called among of the hundreds of developing countries and districts were separate from the G8 countries. G8 countries. We have many challenges. Nearly 260 million people who are below the poverty line have to join the mainstream of good life. See that? Heart of touch like these words. When we got freedom, maybe we will finish it 78 years. Yes, of course. Even though I call the first vision for the nation. Yes, when we got the freedom, we got the first nation. This vision created the best of leaders in the many fields like politics, philosophy. Yes, the political and philosophy, politics, they can improve the lot of knowledge in that. Nearly 260 million people who are BPL, below the poverty line, have to be join the mainstream of good life. 100% literacy health for all, multiple industrials and agriculture productivity and lifestyle with a value system have to be emergence. Hence we need the second vision for the nation to become a development. See that. And after independence, India looked forward to the development through the 5-year plans. Panchavarsha Pranalika in Telugu version. 5 years plans means Panchavarsha Pranalika in Telugu version. The green revolution of technology's growth enabled India to prosperous with the self-sufficiency in food and achievements in many technologies frontiers, particularly the past 2 decades. A major transformation came during the information age when India established its position with the strong core competence in the formation technology. Today, India is the knowledge as which provides an opportunity to become a developer in the nation with the strong economies. See that. How it will come from that? It's a very important that. In the 21st century, new society is emerging where knowledge is the primary production resources instead of capital and labor. People's life will be enriched by the IT driven knowledge, products and systems, biotechnology and space technology. See that so many kinds of varieties developments of in our country. Okay, as a future revelations, it is predicted that humanity, while human habit in the one of the planet of the space, solar power radiating to earth, electric power, human life will be future further extended for research outcomes. See that. Nanotechnology. Do you know, children, nanotechnology? Nano cars. Yes, it is there in India. They developed the technology also there. The nanotechnology will entire into human uses like the control system of various transformation systems, medical technology, equipments and aerospace systems. See that. This is the development of India. The most of developed the nations, the information and communication technology, ICT, information and communication technology, ICT in Telugu version. Okay, sector directly contribute to 7 to 8% to the GDP growth development practice. It is expected by the 2010 in the countries ICT will account of 25% of the GDP either directly by way of sale, hardware of software, no problem for that. Indirectly by the beginning of the integral part of the e-governance, connectivity for improved productivity, industries and even daily life for improved efficiency and transparency. In India, ICT today and accounts for nearly 2% of GDP to be developed in the nation. We should be enhanced the significantly. See that. Yes. Information, communication and technology. Information and communication technology. ICT means. Our core competence that can be exploited in additions to what has been planned in 1998 include the information security, scientific software development and e-governance that can be spread to strong domestic market, entertainment, education, hardware and chip design and wireless. If we exploit these areas of our core competency, we will be great in Indian MNC and aim at the target of $150 billions by 2010. See that what is dreams was very highly that. Another core competence we should be developed in biotechnology India, in rich in the herbs, gems, plants, microorganisms. Industrially developed countries are importing these bio researchers in raw forms of adding values to them and exporting them as a special seeds and biometrical to be developed in the countries including India. See that they also own fully protected patents of these products at a high cost. India must be its own technology for conversion of such researches to value. Before, children see that before the phones are made in China or Taiwan or Thailand or whatever it may be. But now made in India. They are saying all that made in India. The phones were made in India only. See that how to develop the country is that it's very highlightly the conversion of so many peoples are coming to make the development of technology. See that. Okay. And another one more thing. Industrially development countries are importing these bioresources in the raw forms, adding value to them and exporting them as a special seeds and biomaterials to develop in the countries including India. There are known fully protected patents. Yes, fully protected patents of these products to high cost. Our Prime Minister of India in his Independence Day address from the Red Fort on August 15, 2002 declared that India would become a developed nation by 2020. See that our Prime Minister aim also there. The maybe important thing that develop the country is very important. He announced it in the on the occasion of Independence Day. In occasion of Independence Day, he addressed it from the Red Fort on August 15, 2002. Declare that India would become a developed nation by 2020. India has entered the 10th 5-year plan. పదవ పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక అంట ఇన్ తెలుగు వర్షన్ 10th 5-year plan with a focus on all round developments. The 10th plan is very vital period as it is has to be laid to the foundations for his journey of the transformations by initiating missions projects that will be, bring economic strength to the nation. India order to be realized develop India by 2020. Right. 5 key areas has been identified for integrated actions. What is 5 keys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Number one is agriculture and food processing with the target of 360 million tons of food and agriculture products in a year. Other areas, agriculture and agro-food processing will be bring food security and prosperity to rural people and speed up economic growth. When is in agriculture development, it is people and speed up economic growth. Yes. Second ones, education and healthcare aimed at increasing the employment potential, leading to social security and population control. See that. Education also we can develop it in the India. Yes, is healthcare, విద్య ఉచిత వైద్యం అనేది రెండు కూడా మరి ఉచితంగా ప్రజలకు పంపిణీ చేయాలని చెప్పినటువంటి మహాత్ముడు ఎవరు? అబ్దుల్ కలాం, ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం. థర్డ్ వన్, ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ రిలయబుల్ and quality electric power for all parts of the country, which is vital for all core sectors. See that infrastructure development. Yes, we don't have that much infrastructure in our India. You should be realized that the quality of electric power or something. Now it is 24 hours power. How will come from that? Without infrastructure, how they will made for them? Now it is okay. Information. Fourth one is information and communication. Right. Information and communication technology is also one of the core of competences. Promoting education is a remote areas and creating massive employment and national wealth through the expert earnings. Yes, sometimes dropouts are there in rural areas. What is the dropouts? Dropouts means what? Dropout means who are not coming to colleges or schools. They want to stop their studies in between of the age. They called dropouts. Fifth one, critical technologies and tragic industries. Critical technology and tragic industries. Right. The progress in nuclear space and defense technologies will be provide sustained growth and self-reliance for the nation. These five sectors you should be developed the country. It is very important. These five areas are closely interrelated and will be lead of nation food and economic security. A strong partnership among the R&D academia, industry business and the community as a whole with the government departments and agencies will be essential to accomplish the vision. See that. What is the vision of Abdul Kalam Azad? India will be developed up to 2020 only. But now the too much developed the India in that area sectors, in the five sectors. A strong partnership among the R&D, academia, industry business and the community as a whole with the government departments and agencies will be essential to accomplish the vision. See that. Apart from the plan to network the major rivers as a scheme called providing the urban amenities in rural areas. Pura. Plant major rivers scheme is called providing urban amenities in rural areas. Pura ante. Providing urban amenities to rural areas. Can be developed to create rural wealth and prosperity. The model envisages a habitat designed to improve the quality of life the rural places and makes special suggestions to remove urban conjunctions. See that how it is. These are too much developed in India up to 2020. One more thing, this model will provide envisages habitat designed to improve the quality of life in the rural places and makes up special suggestions. Improve the quality. Improve the quality. The model envisages habitat to remove urban congestions to against the kilometer. The model consider the ring-shaped town integrating minimum of 8 to 10 villages in the same area. See that. The circular connectivity of rural villages complexes which accelerate the rural development process by the empowerment. The nation's strengths predominantly reside in the natural and human resources which we should be leverage human resource, particularly with the large young populations, is the unique core strength of nation. There are 700 million people below 35 years. Command the change for transformation of India into the developed nation, embodied with attracted the best persons, the build of the team of the organizations. See that. Give inspiring leadership even during the failures of missions, as they are not afraid of risk. See that. The creations of vision ignited by youth minds of particular places. Wait for a few minutes. Huh?
Okay.
What are the qualities of such creative leader? He or she exercises changes in the traditional role from the commander to coach, from manager to mentor, from the director to delegator, and from one who made demands respect to one who facilitates self-respect. These higher preparations of creative leaders in a nation, the higher potential success of visions like developed India. With the vision and characteristics of the creative leader of define what can be the task of the various people. The student community can be remove the illiterate of certain numbers are the people in their area where their schools or houses are situated. See that. Only a burning candle can be light another. A burning candle can light another. Teachers and parents can be assist them in the task. See that. The government and R&D, road and developments, labs can be provide the technological upgradation to small scale industries to that production can be increased and they become competitive. The large scale industries have to be increased their productivity and quality so that their can market share can be increased for economic growth and GDP. They can aim to become multinational companies and global leaders. Farming community has to increase its productivity with the help of new and available scientific methods, particularly for dry land cultivations. See that he can looking for a lot of things and he's thinking about India is a good way up to develop 2022, right? The information technology also very important in that. The information technology also very important. Knowledge. The information technology and knowledge workers have to be tremendous responsibility to contribute in the areas of telemedicine, teleeducations and e-governance for rural areas apart their business role. Pura has to be business preparation economically variable and managed by the entrepreneurship. And a small scale industry list with the government participations as it is involves education, healthcare, power generation, transport and other managements. In this vision period, the government has to be built a name for itself by the quick decisions making and transparent administrations. The media has to become a partner and positive critic in national development. Our musicians, poets, artists and should be nurtures the glory of great civilizations and sing the song developed in India. This type of motivation in environment will be indeed by a great foundation for our vision of transforming India into the developed nation. See that. Dear children, this is completed. And what is the meanings of that conclave meeting? Okay, conclave means meeting. Heritage handed down by tradition. Attained means handed down by the position. It's called. Okay, we can learn tomorrow class.